Tension as houses are destroyed by disbanded vigilante group in Delta State. It was Bizel in Ewereni community, Ogeli North local government area of Delta, on Saturday evening as armed youth suspected to be members of a disbanded vigilant group allegedly shot immediate past President General of Ewereni Kingdom, Chief Victor O'Hare. The rampaging youth also set ablaze and vandalized no fewer than three houses in the community and burned two vehicles. It was alleged that members of the disbanded vigilant group invaded the community at about 5 p.m. after the arrest of their former leader, Mr. Tuesday Okua, by police tactical team from Abuja over the alleged murder of Mr. Sylvester Ajugbe. It could be recalled that Mr. Sylvester Ajugbe, younger brother to the immediate past NDDC Executive Director, Projects, Engineer Samuel Ajugbe, was killed by community armed youth in July this year. And it was in connection with the murder that police detective from Force Headquarters few days ago arrested Okwe and three others. Armed youth said to be loyal to the former vigilant leader went on rampaging on Saturday, destroying houses and cars, and in the process shot the former president general of the kingdom. As at the time of filing this report, hundreds of persons have deserted their homes for fear of being killed by the armed wild youth. The youth were also alleged to have mobilized to burn the homes of the former governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress in Delta State, Olorogun Otega Omeho, and a former NDDC engineer Ajogbe, but were repelled by security operatives. Thank you for listening to this news. Wow. This, I will say, needs government immediate intervention. It needs a government immediate intervention. The government really need to do something concerning this immediately. There is no need to have a sleeping eye on this. You understand? Because this has to do with community affairs. This has to do with the state affairs. So it's something that the state government needs to wake up and start working something out immediately and start doing something immediately. There should be no sleeping eye on this. You understand? So I am of the opinion that something should be done. Concerning the rampaging youth, the rampaging disbanded vigilantes, well, I would say that it must be something that has to do with probably someone from an outsider. An outsider may have collided with the insider in Delta State to carry out these evil deeds. It can never be it won't be completely the vigilant group of Delta State that will agree to carry out this evil. Definitely someone outside may have influenced the vigilant group in Delta State to carry out this evil. And definitely something may have transpired between them and this President General that was shot. And so that's why I want to say that the state government should not apply any sleeping eye on this issue. It should wake up. It should wake up and start doing something immediately before this particular attack turns to something else, because it's gradually turning to something else. You can see the youths handling weapons. You understand? So please, something should be done concerning that. Something should be done concerning that. The life and property of the citizens are very much important. That should not be overlooked. The governor of Delta State, Ifeanyi Okowa, should not leave this responsibility to the local government chairman to carry out alone. He should not even wait for them to give him a call before doing something about it. He should take an immediate action. And as for the local government chairman, I don't know what their responsibility is in the community. Is it just to be collecting money that they are after? Huh? Is the life of the people not important to them? Why are they called local government chairman? Why? Some persons don't even understand what's the importance of leadership. Some persons don't understand the importance of leadership and how to carry it out. And that is what is paining me and giving me a lot of worries. Why? My viewers, this is something that we really need to look into. So the local government chairman on their own should be on their feet. They should be on their feet. Relate this matter to the community heads. Then they should come together and see how to get the governor reached so that these hoodlums that call themselves vigilance group in Delta State will be getting rid of. But I strongly believe that it is not the vigilant group of Delta State that is doing this, but someone outside has come in to influence the bad eggs in the vigilant group to carry out this evil. You understand? So that is the gist about the matter. So my viewers, this that is going on in Delta State presently, I tell you that has a lot to do with the bandits and this jihadist group. That is the main reason why the southeast and the south have refused them from coming into their state. Their plan was to come in and get themselves mixed up with probably the bad eggs in the state, for them not to be easily identified, so that they can be able to carry out and penetrate easily and achieve their evil dreams. You understand? But they will not succeed. Alright? So my viewers, I don't know what your comment concerning all that has just been said may be, but please, you deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.